GH Asha for any ATF for any day, Mama Kwaba Shonko, ever you feed the say so. Munia bad na ama Owusia enu na dano. The F trendy social media no enemy the best sumo ewo efide eso. Say day dey abeto just say Shatta Wale. Nibu efu kese pa nibu efu atese say can be brain and was send this year nimia age na eye joint 77 na wo ka militant for ehunu nintem bia wo de akotu dwa efa wo no Shatta Wale hu ene nsem bia wo de beto dwa ewo eye and the Dusty HITZ FM show na wo ye no eso na joint 77 echen nsem no wo address issue na eye Shatta Wale de beto abonten say the say day one the militant for woman tematete na enye ne krasem since January and woman temtete na ni age na nyema bakum yenu bia wo hu wo mo ho enu nti na wo yi wo mo efi ni camp na Shatta Wale kan nsem no ka say eye militant for no wo mo mpa adwuma ye o mo ye very lazy ye ka nyom tra wo mo beto metro bi obetro bi crap na wo kan crap na ntese nkwasa sem kwa no wo mo enko bebia ebi mo so no adi show pe yemfa bibia mo pe direction wo mo for ma dream enye hwe wo mo to twente command every suro embra nsana wo medi hu djuma na ono Shatta Wale no wo plan say o person ko onyo mo te say eye new artist mobile system ni te say when the shape Kwame Eugene kid mo style ni bi but wa ya wa try ya so she enfi o mo camp wo emma na we na ye joint 77 kan ho ono de no do onim efa de course no na we address the issue ni say na Shatta Wale be de to abontin say wono no tro mo lyrics e de mo no de enye no kwari ba ku say wono joint 77 wono ano tro no nyum Shatta Wale ntro nyum ba ku say enfa manager na enyum obeto bia be ba abontin bia no wono na dwimu eno asa tro sa enyum no na nsa na wo ba Shatta Wale nchen kra be join no SM militant way group no kwampo no wo tro no nyum de dada a wo di feel baby e de baye enu ti so tumpo e wo group no ma na ejina ono angasa na ho de so Shatta Wale acheda amwa no wo sa afa no enu na eno enama Shatta Wale ni bufu ya te so wo frɛ in the show echeche na adwen ase de ono no etoto ano e wo eye show no so na ebusuafo ye ko he se na show no e ko ye
Paxep the guy. Paxep no they want recording for. Today you can't deal with you.
I remember say Paxep they want record some songs for me make we do them. But then I don't know.
Bro, you know say Paxep they write song for you. What are you talking about? Don't make a boy. You know
when Pax write song for me.
Pax no help you.
He never write song for me before.
Okay, cool.
He never write song for me before.
Join.
Yeah, bro.
Join.
I listen.
Don't you see? You know I'm if I vex.
Bro, don't vex. This don't vex matter. It's the truth way we talk for here.
You see, don't listen. You see, don't talk these things. Make Paxep boy.
He never write song for me before. He never asked my father where they ground. Ask Sam. Ask my father where they ground. Say he never write song for me before.
Hey, make I tell you something. Rain the fall.
The song where they do rain for four. See, the song where I take am your there. I do it for Captain there. Where I take am.
Hey, I tell you something.
Bro, I don't go lie for anything, bro. You see the respect I get for you. I get respect for you since. You know me now way I don't go disrespect you, bro. You know the way me I dey love you, I dey respect you. So
fuck you for loving me.
So I know bro. Oh, okay. No problem.
If you do it, you see the car they eat. I'm gonna make the car correct right now.
Oh, bro.
Right now.
No problem, bro.
Right, you see. Make you go start. You love me, say. You love me.
Why they do?
You love me, say like go
Bro, you just tell me say make I left. You just tell me say make I left, make I go. Bro, I don't have mind. I don't have mind, so I go leave you. I don't have mind. Listen, I don't have. If I have mind, so I go leave you, bro. Make God punish me. If I have mind, so I go leave your body. Make God punish me. Make God no make I go on. If I have mind,
God no go make you go.
If I have mind. If I have mind, so I will leave you like that, bro. The things you do for me, the things you do for me, I appreciate them. Wow. And the things you do for me,
come up say you appreciate. Come up there, don't tell me say you appreciate.
The way you, bro.
Hey, come up there.
Oh, why the things they make like with this? Like
I won't give you this opportunity for make the whole Ghana. If you leave the studio, go record song today. Make you play them. Make Ghana say what are the talk.
This is HITZ.
Me mama kwa babiem mako he show no na asema e course wo honom eno ena me nitua mo hwe na Shatta Wale due to the promise a oka wo show ni mo say obebo modia say eye car odi ma joint 77 no wobeji afini nsem esa se waye no boni aye wo hu ne se ono do nyini papa pe bia nsem no be ka ade a waye ama no no otina aye radio FM station so ka se wonya hwema no bia ene tintonta asefo na sem nko wo se menya hwema na me ka me de ma so fama de edma no nti se tawale edi na sem so amwasoma a police for amoma koje eye car de ma joint 77 no omaji efri ni nsem na we ena nsem we beto dan Ghana for ka se Shatta Wale pa oh enti wo de ade che obi a wotimi san ko wachi ekoji biema na anasa dempa ena Shatta Wale epese won fa enchen with the car na wakoji efi eye joint 77 ensem nebusafo yakoyesa na police for no eje car no efi eye joint 77 ni nsem
Oh, boss, you get one more. I already have one. How you say? Sena mekano kanano sa pepepe ena ekoso sesi ade Ghana for ebisa ebi kasa ebi so kire wo madwen efa eye de ekoso no enso ebi kasa eye joint 77 o deserve wo bia your papa wo bia chiwa ba ne campu de wo bedi de wo be she bedi a wo beda de ka wo betremachi akonia no wo de amaw na wutimi nya kokudo esa eye riff kakra bia abamuntem na wutimi nya kokudo kotena show su catch etse ekeka wa drink kire de wo pa ena se de edidi wo no ne kwa so ano no tinto tase we anya nto a enentwe bi so wanya hwe amaw ene ka na aka wo na no so de maw no ma ne nyina de fa nko we anya asem bia Shatta Wale ne kwan so ano no waje ebi so ka se Shatta Wale so de uban asem bi wo ho a enheda nya chenchina sa no asom dende no asom hyper no bo wa egidigidi wo de bia controversies came enunti Shatta Wale eso epesa na ye some of the comments are abeto dwa efa eye ensem no ho me kai Lydia je kanin was saying. Well, I listened to the interview. From the way that Joint 77 was talking, you can see it was true. He was true and genuine. Well, if he hasn't done anything for him, it's not wrong saying it out. He didn't say it wrongly, though. But Shatta Wale still is Shatta Wale. Also, actually, not dream. Emilia so Edia Wade Abba was saying, guys of today, they want the flashy lifestyle, they want all the cool stuff, but they are not ready to pay the price for it. Also, when they say, yeah, join 77, no, and Yama war benefiting your name and the pa, see a man car, no assume him, no aje, Atalenia, the man, no assume him, no aje, shoe, no aje, Adriani Cranet, Nefa joint to the man, and Mark cry, pimpy the mouth, Emma Ore, Nina Neo de. Now, so, who are you, my day, Nasanya man, who because we are the Namon pet. Esi efi mu nsem na tum ne ntoatoa na mo de ti radio station na mo kasa dendenden enu nti se de adiwa na ne kwan so a enunom HITZ Haruna so edia wode aba interviews of today. It will always give people problem. I don't even know why still celebrities want to go for interview even after what has been happening due to radio stations in style of interviews. Or no so when he said the CRD yes celebrities no ebe ya won to mo fo Omaga Santina Sintu Mofil, Cecia Day there, send celebrities, yeah, interview Sifano, Ube now for assembly their mouth, and it's a bear, woman baby being trying, no interview for the meantime because radio presenters so woman ya break almost 2% won't pray any celebrities to so moon, and into woman show more and so, I was and seminal elm. My main fire, yeah, cook what dear and chat was saying. This guy is extremely rude. How can you pay back Shatta Wale like that? He did all that for you, covering up all your shady deals. You were no good and still Shatta Wale always uses money to cover you people up, and you are out here talking about him. Ungrateful people like them. Or no so actually who said join 77 no or you're ungrateful said the Shatta Wale edia money nyano the why money nyano what we banechi ebe kan sem say e fa no say Shatta Wale eje ne car efri ni nsem a na ne kwan so a eno no ebusafo eye comment wa ha de me kasa mekwa mi wie da eno ntu pese ano me de besi ewo ho won so wo dia owo twimi no fatu dwa efa ye too much HITZ comment section no de wo dwinfa the Shatta Wale aye no no de join 77 so aye no obetimi e de ato ye channel no your comment section honum na biem so no ho kwan se video we obe share e de amobipia on all the social media platforms. Follow too much HITZ our Instagram at @too much HITZ_. Midindi nana ama owusa makram.